Hey, what's going on? It's Vinay here. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to pick offers on JVZoo. JVZoo is an affiliate network. It's quite easy to get sign up. I don't think there's a phone call or anything like that, so it's quite easy to just get sign up straight away and get picking off, as I am gonna be showing you what to look out for in this video, because there are some good products and there are also some bad ones as well that you want to stay away from. So the first thing you want to do once you are in JVZoo, go over to the affiliates and click on affiliates and click on find products. Then you will be redirected to this page. This is going to give you a list of all products on the platform. So as you can see here, there are top sold products on the platform. Here it's automatically sort out from the most number of sold right down to least, and it's automatically sorts on all the categories. So what I'm going to be doing is looking at software that I have been looking at recently. So go to the category and select on software and click on search, and you will find all the software products, and you can choose by subcategories also. Here database, email clients, general, graphic designing, hardware, hosting, network, systems, operating systems, software programming, system admins, system creation, web designing. These are the subcategories. I find softwares are really good for high commissions. So software often have products that are entirely based on online. They are digital, so there are limited overheads, and therefore the affiliate programs and affiliates that run these programs can afford to pay affiliates more, simply because there are less overheads and bigger profit margins, as well as that these products can be sold from once to 10,000 times. They can be sold many times without having to spend any more on producing that product. Once the product is made, the software is made, you can simply just sell it for the same price over and again. It's a good business model and it works out well for affiliates too. So the first thing you want to do is pick a niche. I am doing softwares. You can do it for whatever you want to do, but you want to sort by EPC instead of the amount sold. Here it is a EPC. You need to simply sort by EPC, not by sold, simply because EPC being the bigger indicator. So the amount sold is dependent on how many units have sold, how many softwares have sold. So a product with a high EPC that has recently come out is likely to do better. If you have more EPC, then this product is good to promote. And also you want to look at the softwares that don't have less than say 100 cells, because that is unreliable data. Maybe you could go for 50 plus, because it would be a good benchmark. That would be because the more cells the product has, more reliable the metrics. Here you need to choose the product where you need to have a high conversion rate and high EPC and low refund rate. Refund rate should be maximum below 0.5%. So we need to choose the product which has high conversion rate, high EPC with low refund rate is to be being a good product. That should be good offer to promote. Make better decisions on what to promote. New products are often some will fail and some will win. So you want to model what's working. Model the product that are doing well. Already you don't have to reinvent everything yourself. Pick up the best products, because as affiliates you get the opportunity to pick that and take advantage of that. So you need to find a product which has a 50 plus sales. So what you need to do, just click on the launch date and you will find the products which are launched before 2 or 3 months back. So see the product which has a 50 plus sales. Here it is, Widely Bundle Professional, which has a 50 plus sales and there is a zero refund rate. So it is very good product to promote. Now once you select your offer, then you need to see the sales page. Click on this, you will redirect to this page and click on view sales page. You will be redirected to this page. You can see what landing page looks like and you can make decision on that as well. So you don't want to promote any product that you have not looked at the landing page. So you want to do your own research and make sure everything is working on sales page. After selecting a good offer, you need to send a request like, I love to promote this offer and I will promote using YouTube blog and I will send this offer to my email list. Can you please accept my pull request? Very much. Now you need to click on request approval. Now this message will send to the vendor. Most of the vendors will accept and give affiliate link to you. If they deny your request, you need to say the same thing. I love to promote this offer and I will promote it through using YouTube blog and I will send this offer to my email list. Can you please accept my request? Thank you very much. Then they will accept your request because they will see the genuine profile which you have contacted from your Facebook or Skype. Then they will be accept your request and you are ready to promote. This is how we can choose JVZoo products to promote. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and make sure like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you very much.